Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video, and for today's vlog, we are here at Poblacion, Dawis, Bohol, and because of the love for plants, so we are here to check out some bonsais, yung mga coconut bonsais. They are also trending nowadays, and if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe and itap nyo na din yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag may panibago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin. So, ayan guys, nandito tayo. So, it's still a part of Dawis. Nasa Poblacion tayo. And they have a lot of coconut bonsais here. So, some are even propagated through water propagation. As you can see, ganyan siya guys. Inilalagay lang siya sa isang container na merong water. And then, it will let the roots come out from yung mga tiny roots. Yun yung makikita nyo, those white na tiny roots, sila yung mga bagong roots apart from those big ones na makikita natin sa water. So you can grow a water bonsai, so you can grow like this, and then you'll just have to find some container to make it pleasing or to let it grow well, and gaganda siya. So meron silang mga sample dito. Some of these are being prepared na maripat, pero if you choose to have a water bonsai, then you can do that as well. Meron silang mga finished product dito, and some of them are even for sale. So marami pa din sa area na doon, but we'll still focus sa mga bonsai na nandito. This is one of their finished products. So ayun, eto siya. This is an elongated coconut bonsai. So, ayan, para siyang ant. Based on my observation, mukha siyang ant, guys. Meron pang isa dito. So, this one is also a finished product. And they have a lot here. So, meron pang nandun. It will really take time to produce something like this. And this is amazing. So, guys, sa mga interested na magsimula ng coconut bonsai, so ito yung mga gagamitin. Ito yung meron sila dito, and they are using this. So they have the stapler. Etong malit na gunting na to, para pang-cut daw siya sa mga small roots, guys. And meron din silang cutter. They also have scissors. And ito, forceps daw. So meron sila niyan. Meron silang scalpel. And they also have this surgical scalpel blade. So, hindi ko alam yung mga pinagsasabi ko. Hindi ko kilala lahat. But, ito sila. So, we have a sample right here. So, you can see. And if meron kayo nito, then you may start doing that. Pero, kapag parang feeling mo mahirap and parang wala ka ng time, bumili ka na lang. So, we will move on to the other part of this garden para makita natin yung iba. And, by the way, guys, if you are interested, you may look for Sir Bajon Ibuho. And, I will just put the Facebook here down below para makontak nyo just in case you are interested. So guys, there are a lot of you who are into bonsai farmings here, or marami sa inyo din mga nagko-comment na mga bonsai hobbyists, then you may contact him if you are interested. So let us move on to the other part of this garden para makita natin yung iba. So ito yung iba guys na on process pa. O ayan. So you have to let the roots pop out from the coconut itself. So, ayan yung mga makikita nyo, yung mga lumalabas talaga. So, this is really one ng coconut, and then you will let the leaves come out and lalabas din yung roots eventually. So, the process will begin from there. So, ito guys, this is also one process, and we just have to wait for the leaves to come out. So, ito meron na siyang papalabas. So, I'm just using a cell phone, so hindi natin siya ma-focus. Basta, makikita natin. I'll just put the magnifier para makita natin na meron ng papalabas na dahon, guys. So, most of these coconut bonsais are being propagated through water. So, we'll move on to the other part. So, yung mga price range na mga finished products, guys, they will range from 1,500 to 2,500 pesos po. So, we will go there. Marami pa po daw doon. Oh, ayan. So, they have a lot here. So, you really have a lot to choose from. So, these are some of their finished products. And, kung gusto nyo na easy lang, diretsong display na lang. So, nandito sila guys. And I can show you a lot of them. So let me try to focus each one of them, guys. So remember, the price range is just 1.5 to 2.5. You may contact Mr. Bajon Ibuho. So ayun, let's try to check it out. So it would be best sana kung makikita natin yung actual na paggawa. But since marami na silang finished product, so ito na lang muna yung ipapakita natin. And you may comment down below kung gusto niyo makita yung actual process. So let's try. So tingnan natin. So they are beautiful. And I will show them to you one by one. So this one right here looks like a flamingo for me. So ayan, para siyang flamingo or para siyang bird. So this one that we can see here, there is a bottle that is being placed para ma-brace siya. Kasi kakaripat lang daw. But those that has been repotted a while ago na or matagal na talaga, ayan, they can stand on their own. So ito lang yung mga bago. Okay, so there is a trick for this one. Merong mga roots na hindi umaabot pa sa soil, guys. So what they did, they put some water para dun na rin makatubo yung roots niya. And then they will just remove it once the roots will grow enough to reach the soil. So then guys, meron din. So yung technique na yun yung ginagamit nila. Kasi marami talagang roots na hindi pa umaabot. Especially if you are just starting out, put some water para dun na tumubo yung roots nila. So they continue water propagation just for those roots na hindi pa umaabot sa soil. And merong iba dito na hindi pa talaga nabavarnish. So they will put some varnish here para kumintab pa siya ng mabuti and gaganda pa siya. So most of these coconut bonsais, guys, are perfect for your indoor gardening. For those of you na kasisimula pa lang sa mga pagko-collect ng mga bonsai, you may start doing the coconut bonsai, guys. So ayun. Merong iba talaga na talented na madali lang para sa kanila, but for me personally, I really don't find it easy. Sobrang hirap niya tingnan kung paano siya ginawa. So for this pa lang, kung paano siya nakatayo, ilan lang ba yung roots niya. So meron lang 6 pero tumatayo siya, and it is bringing the parang shell niya upwards. Grabe. So these bonsais here that we are seeing are being repotted. So they are using the soil. So may iba na meron pang braces, but there is also a water bonsai here, water coconut bonsai that we can see. So meron silang sample dito just in case yun yung mas gusto mo. And ito rin, guys, this is also pretty. So meron pang mga moss dun sa ilalim mo. Merong mga bato yata sa ilalim and meron pa siyang moss. Ayan, this one is also pretty, guys. So pag na-ready na tong lahat, iba-varnish to and then they will be up for sale. So, syempre, marami din sa inyo na interested sa mga ganito. So, pwede kayong mag-comment down below or just look for Mr. Bajon Ibuho. Yeah, ilalagay ko na lang po yung Facebook page niya down below. So, this will really require a lot of time from you. So, dapat talaga yung mga hindi ka na busy. So, you may start doing it. And ito yung water bonsai, guys. So, ito siya, inilipat lang talaga siya sa mas magandang container para makatubo siya ng maayos, and we can really see the roots down below. So, isa to sa mga naunang ginawa niya. Oh, ayan. So, inilagay lang siya sa water. So, you can really choose to let it grow in the water lang or to repot it in the soil. So, maganda din siya, guys, and naka-varnish na. So, kagaya nito. So, baka pwede na din tong ibenta. So, kapag ayaw mo nang dumaan sa mga process na paggawa-gawa nito, kasi I know na mahirap talaga to, bumili ka na lang. So, ayun guys, marami sila dito, and sobrang easy access lang kasi nasa ano lang sila, poblasyon. You just have to ask for his name kung plano kang bumisita, and you want to check all of these. So, ayun, kung ganyan yung gusto mo, so, ayun, meron sila.
Dahil mura lang.
So, ayun, marami sila dito. And affordable lang ha, for bonsais. Kasi sobrang mahal ng bonsais. Sa mga naririnig ko or mga alam kong kwento kung magkano, sobrang mahal nila. So, dito guys, bumili na kayo dito. Mura lang. And for those of you na outside Bohol, I do not know if they ship their plants, guys. So, ayun, sa mga, sure ako sa mga taga rito lang, taga rito sa Bohol. So, check them out. And ilalagay ko na lang yung Facebook. So, baka malagay din natin yung contact number para makontak sila. So, ayun guys, ito naman. Malapit lang din to kay Sir Iboho. Meron din sila. So, this is from Mr. Raul Sanchez. So, if tama ako ha. So, ito yung ano nila. Meron din silang coco bonsai here. Madami din po. So, ayan. Kapag interested kayong bumili ng mga ganitoan, bumisita. So, you really have a lot to choose from kasi hindi lang sa iisang bahay. There are still a lot of them that are on process. So, mga twin bonsais daw ito. But are still on process, guys. So, marami sila dito. Meron din sila mga finished products. This one right here is beautiful, diba? So, ayan, mukha siyang ant. So, this really looks like an ant. So, madami sila dito, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, they have a lot here. Eto pa. So, this is still on process. Pero, okay na yung mga moss niya. Ayan. Focus natin, ha. And there is a huge one right here na hindi ko alam kung paano tumubo. Meron siyang bato. And then, may mga moss na pinag-grow din sa ilalim. So, ayun guys. So, if plano kayong bumisita, meron kayong pagpipilian. And meron pa din dito. So, yung mga ganito yung leaves, guys, they're still young. Because they will really turn into like, more of like a palm. So, magiging palm leaves yung mga ganito kapag nag-mature na. Just like nung isa na nasa loob. So, they just have to cut the leaves more often para mag-renew yung leaves. And they will eventually get smaller. And then, dun magiging bonsai yung itsura ng dahon niya. So, ayun guys. Ito, mga old ones daw to. So, they were cut para mag-renew yung leaves. And they will eventually get smaller para magmukha siyang dwarf na palm tree. So, ayan, ito. Marami sila dito on process. And this one right here. So, ito daw, tong kinat na to is already 6 years old. So, before I get to end this video, let's get right into the montage. So ayun guys, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Itap nyo na din yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag may banibago kaming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!